Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today my video will be all about the new Turbo Petrol Duster and its 1.3 liter turbo engine. So here are the pictures of the Renault Duster Turbo Petrol in Moonlight silver color. Talking about the exterior changes of this new Duster, there are many crimson red accents used on the front grille, above the fog lamps, on the Kayak roof rails, on Mattblack tailgate, and also there is R17 Forza diamond cut alloys with some crimson red accents on it. Apart from this, there is a smart start-stop technology used in this vehicle to improve the efficiency, and also there is a pre-cooling option on the key by which you can pre-cool the car from outside. By the way, the RXE variant comes with a shiny black grille with crimson red accents. I am very much eager to see how the RXE base variant would look like with crimson red grille. So talking about the transmission options, 6-speed manual transmission is available on all the three variants of this new Duster, that is RXE, RXS and RXZ model, and CVT variant is only available on the top two trims. Talking about the power and torque figures of this new engine, it produces 156 PS at 5500 rpm and 254 Nm torque at 1600 rpm, which means it produces 50 PS more power and 112 Nm more torque than the 1.5 liter petrol engine. Now this engine was jointly developed by Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi Alliance along with Daimler. So it is also known as HR13 engine. So we can find the same engine in A class, B class, A class sedan, CLA class, CLA shooting brake, GLA and GLB. And from the Nissan side, the same engine has been used in Nissan Kicks. In my video uploaded for Nissan Kicks, I had given a short description on Mirrorboard coating technology. Well, that was in Malayalam. Mirrorboard coating is a technology that increases energy efficiency by reducing friction inside engine. Many engines use lightweight aluminum material for cylinder block. Some design use cast iron cylinder liners. In cylinder, there are cylindrical space where piston moves up and down. So instead of inserting cylinder liner, Mirrorboard coating technology sprays molten iron onto the surface of cylinder bore and forms iron coating layer inside walls. So it gives a mirror finish inside. So drag that arises during piston operation is reduced. So talking about the advantages of this technology, since there is no cylinder liner, the engine will be light. Compared to 2 mm thick cylinder liner, 0.2 mm bore coating is thin and makes better conduction. So there is better cooling performance, less engine knocking and improved efficiency. So before ending my video, let's have a look how the Duster Turbo Petrol looks in slate grey color. Same.